Today I will share how to make this type of diagonal split typography in Canva, and also I will share how to use it in t-shirt. So let's start with it. So I will choose a blank canvas of Instagram post size, and after that I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and I will use a motivational quote which says work hard, in the next line dream big. Okay, and I will bring both of them closer, so I will use this line spacing and decrease it. Okay, make it more closer. So 0.93 is good. Now after that, go to font and select Anton. For this type of graphic effect, this Anton font is the best, I think. Okay, and after that let's make it bigger. And just center it, and after that, as you can see, the next line is not coming in the same size, so I will make it bigger and just increase the size of this one. So 150 looks good. Okay, and after that just rotate it to -40. So please keep it in mind that this rotation angle is most critical here. As I said, it is -40. Now I will just change the text color. So for the first time I will change it to red color and just increase the brightness of this red to here and use it. And in the next one, let's duplicate it and change the color from red to white. Okay, so as you can see, it becomes invisible, but if you put a dark color like black, you can just see it. Okay, so I am just removing this dark color, and after that I will go to share. Make sure you download it as PNG, both the pages with transparent background. So it is required the most when you are downloading it. Make sure it is in transparent background. Okay, and download both the pages. So when the downloading is done, click on add page and make sure the background is black color so that both the text are visible, and just re-upload both the images which you just created. Okay, so both the images are here with the text, so make it in the same line and align it, and after that click on Ctrl+A to select both the text. Okay, and after that rotate it to +40. As we have made it to -40, so we will rotate it to +40 and just make it bigger. Okay, and we will keep it here. So we want to put the white text just behind it, so I will just right click it and click on layer, send backward. So as you can see, the red color is visible. Now I will just crop it till here, and so now for the next part I will click on L to activate a straight line and increase the stroke weight to 11, and after that just rotate it to 40 degrees and just bring it here where the split is done here, and just move it from here to the upper end part, so it looks like this, and your design is finally ready. Okay, now if you want to download it, make sure you are download it again as a transparent PNG to use it for t-shirt. But if you want to directly use it, just click on add page. Okay, just unzoom it and just remove the background, and after that here write black t-shirt. So go to graphics and click on see all, and I will use the first one just to show you this one. Okay, just bring it here, and after that select all of them by pressing Ctrl plus A in the keyboard and Ctrl plus C to copy it and just paste it here. Okay, and just make it smaller and place it according to the requirement. But as you can see, there is a white halo coming in the background of this red color. So how to remove that I will show you. Okay, so just come to here in this part and just crop out the white part till the line part. So as you can see, the halo part is now removed. Okay, so if I crop it from here and keep it till here, so the halo part which was previously there, as you can see in here, it is not having now. So hope you can design it now and make unique diagonal split typography for your designs. Thank you.